Good evening, meine Damen und Herren. Today I'm going to show you how to make the world's most superior Kartoffelsalat. We Germans love our Kartoffelsalat. This recipe has been given from father to son for hundreds of generations. It requires superior cutting skills and the best of products to finally master the greatest achievement in European history. Now we are going to watch an educational clip. Skipping the video is verboten.
The most superior Kartoffelsalat of all time is of course the Germanic Kartoffelsalat. You'll need pure Germanic salt, some cheap cheese because it's end of the month, a number of strong potatoes, mayonnaise, pickles, mustard, some apples and eggs from proud Germanic chicken. In addition, one or more bottles of motivation juice are recommended. The strong Germanic chef is capable of creating fire everywhere without modern tools. Here we see the superior technique of stick a twig in it that helped us so greatly during our past winter adventures. Due to poor wood quality, we switch technique to spark your kitchen hatchet. Due to poor steel quality, we again switch technique. You can always rub two sticks or have some other proud Germanic chef. Na Scheiße. Time to hydrate and rethink the strategy. Here we use the ancient Germanic invention of the Feuerzeug to blitzkrieg that tinder. Haha, I see smoke. Now get some small wood pieces that you rip with bare hands from the inside of a left French bunker. You can always go back to that bunker and get more wood. It will be abandoned for some reason. The true Germanic chef is always cooking in the field, regardless the weather. Such a nice Lagerfeuer. It reminds me to my childhood when we had nothing but the Kartoffelsalat recipe. Add more wood to get a strong front going. And then we Germans do what we do best. We march this direction. And then that direction. This is so much fun. Time to prepare the Kartoffelsalat. First, you gently take the cheese. Yes, it's cheap, it's end of the month. And place it ready to cut. Then you take normal Germanic kitchen knife and start the art of Germanic cooking. Maybe you try normal Germanic kitchen hatchet. Jawohl, precision cutting here. You cut all of its cheese in little things. And put it into a bowl. Take all the earth spice from your hatchet to blitzkrieg the apples. They are traitors and must be dealt with. Some more precision cutting. Those apples should have surrendered earlier. We put them into a bowl and carefully clean up the place. Time to hydrate again. Dehydration is most dangerous after eating Panzerschokolade. Also disinfect the place. Now it's time to cut the pickles. For that we use normal Germanic pickle scissors. Whoops. Would you? You goddamn traitor! Verdammte Scheiße, ich werde mich im Hauptquartier beschweren! Alright, you use normal Germanic kitchen eggs to finish them off! All pickles must perish! You mix everything in your bowl and give some pickle juice to it. Now all Germanic flavors are blending together really nicely, like blonde hair and blue eyes. Then you take some mustard, some more, and just a little bit of Germanic mayonnaise. This will keep you warm for long winter nights. Gently stir this holy mix of flavors and put some pure salt from Germanic soil to it. And some more. Time to hydrate again. Put your potatoes with water and salt on the fire. Use the ice salt over my dirty jacket method. Then gently put the eggs on top. Everything must be covered with water. While waiting for the pot to boil, you have some free minutes. Use your time to plan the next blitzkrieg and hydrate again. El Alamein has taught us a lesson. Finally, it's boiling. After 3 more minutes, take out the eggs in a manly way. If the knife goes easily into the enemy, he is done. But not yet. Now it's time to get them. Ouch! Get them. Here we use the ancient Germanic technique of relocating the pot to hope for the best. It worked. Now you need a Germanic friend to help you peeling. Cooking on top tier level and sharing the moments with your friends is the only way to achieve the true Kartoffelsalat. Look at these proud eggs, ready to sacrifice themselves for the best dish to ever be cooked. And now the potatoes, the proud fruit of our rich Germanic soil. It was in the ancient days that our forefathers cultivated this luxury good from a root of Yggdrasil himself. The Kartoffel. Even the name sounds tasty. Then it's time to clean up the place and complete the campaign. Look at this unicorn of European recipes. It is beautiful. Blend everything well together and get a true Germanic friend to your fireplace. Then enjoy your ration. Might be your last. Mwah. This is the truest of all flavors, the Kartoffelsalat. With a little schnapps. Prost. Hopefully you learned a thing or two in this magnificent video. Tune in next week. We will teach you the right way to place your towel on a swimming pool chair before the Englishman arrives. Morgenstund hat Gold im Mund.